will help Uganda save about $3.5 million that have been spent on transportation and overhauling one helicopter outside Uganda. President Yoweri Museveni has hailed the Ministry of Defense for the initiative, which is an example of vertical integration of the economy, which he promised in the NRM's 10-point program. He says the program was also aimed at building an independent, integrated and self-sustaining national economy, which the president said is being fulfilled, although some people didn't get it.
Now, defense is one of the services. It's a service provided to the country by the army. But you find that this defense service is using equipment which is not made here, almost 100% in many of the African countries. In other words, we are consuming what we don't produce. So therefore, the modest steps we are taking here, not only in this factory, but there are some few other things around here and other places, are to solve that irrationality. Because that irrationality is very costly. You are talking of saving money. You are using helicopters, imported helicopters, which you don't make, but which you don't even maintain and repair. This is very serious. So this is just a modest step to say, okay, you are not yet making the helicopters, but at least maintain them, service them. I think the servicing you do is somewhere, some servicing, some oil. That one, I always see you oiling. But maintaining, you are not doing. And repairing and overhauling.
According to the Commander UPDF Air Force, Lieutenant General Charles Lutaya, aircraft maintenance is generally expensive, but with the commissioning of the MRO facility, there will be a timely repair of components and reduced wastage to enhance Air Force combat readiness and employment capabilities.
I welcome you to Nakasongola Cantonment, and I take this opportunity to thank you for finding time within your busy schedule to come and commission a fast maintenance, repair, and overhaul plant in Uganda and in this region.
To the Chief of Defense Forces, General Wilson Basu Mbadi, the facility, the first of its kind in the region, will bring in more revenue into the economy as aircrafts from the region will be serviced here.
I want therefore to thank Your Excellency on behalf of the UPDF for continuously guiding us to help us build a formidable force.
The function was attended by the Minister of State for Defense and Veteran Affairs, Huda Abason Oleru, and senior UPDF officers. Wadulo Makanold, UBC News.